Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to wipe down 3 different countertops: glass, wood, and quartz with 52 essential life skills. Okay, let's start with the glass breakfast table. First, we need to move everything off. Before you spray, you need to see if there are any crumbs on the table. There are some crumbs, so you want to sweep it out with a tissue paper. Okay, now we spray it down. Notice how I spray generously. Now we wipe it down with a towel. Make sure to wipe it in circular motions to prevent any streaking. This smells good. Make sure to wipe down the circular edge because I see a lot of fingerprints. If there's fingerprints you see, spray it on the cloth. Lastly, use a dry cloth to wipe everything down. Guys, this looks pretty good to me. Let's put this stuff back on. Now, let's move on to the wooden surface. Unlike the glass surface, the wooden surface is easy to erode over time, and harsh cleaning agents will damage it. So instead, we're going to use warm water, a few drops of dish soap, and paper towels. First, like the glass, we need to clear everything from the table. Now, let's wipe down the table. First, we need to grab a paper towel and then submerge it in water. Then, get all the water out by rinsing it. You're probably going to have to do this multiple times. For this one, instead of circular, you can go back and forth. Like the glass, you also want to wipe the edges of the table. Now, let's put this stuff back on the table. Now, we're going to be cleaning the quartz countertop. Quartz are man-made. We're going to be using paper towels, a few drops of dish soap, and warm water. And there you have it. We cleaned 3 different surfaces using 52 essential life skills. Thanks for watching!